Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install the latest version of PostgreSQL and pgAdmin on Windows. First, head to your browser and then search for PostgreSQL. Now scroll down and you see a link to postgres.org. Click on it and then click on the download button. Here we're going to select Postgres for Windows. Now click on download the installer. Over here we can see the latest version and we are installing on Windows. So select Windows and it should start downloading. After downloading, we can close our browser and then run Postgres from our download folder. Now let's click on next and proceed with the setup. Next. Enter a password which we are going to use to access Postgres and pgAdmin. Next. That's the port number. Next. And it should start installing. Successfully installed. Now after the installation, click on finish and it is going to load the stack builder. Now this is optional as it comes with additional packages which you may want to install depending on what you need it for. But we just need Postgres and pgAdmin, so we're just going to skip this. But if you want any of these additional add-ons, then you can select it from here and install. So I'm just going to close this window. So pgAdmin came bundled with Postgres and we already have it installed after installing Postgres. So let's run it. Alright, so this is pgAdmin. Now we're going to add a new server. And the name of the server could be whatever you want. Go to connection and set the host name to localhost. Also set the port number, we can leave it as default. And don't forget to also set the password which we used earlier to install Postgres. And we can save. So basically this is how to install and set up the latest version of Postgres and pgAdmin. From here you can create database, create tables and work with data. If this video was helpful, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notification. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.